It's March the 1st. Spring hasn't really come yet, but it's the day of year. The most important day that happens once every year. I'm not kidding. It's the most joyful day. This is the rest of our Christmas tree. I guess I should say the remainings of the Christmas tree. Well, here it is, my beauty. It's time to start preparing for the motorcycle season. And yeah, I need to move it to the garage. Yes. Ooh, how am I gonna do this turn here? It's too soon, of course, to start driving here in Norway. I have to wait a couple of months more, at least 1 month. Stay. You see, I have quite a lot of preparations. I have some work that I need to do on the bike before I can start using it this year. And I have a lot of upgrades that I want to install. Let's see how this goes. I think I need a bit more speed. There is almost no air in the tire, so it's a bit heavy. Come on! Now, I think I need to go more straight forward. Let me see. That's one of the jobs I'm gonna do. Put on new tires with air in them. Okay, come on. Oh. Okay, almost. A bit more speed. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes. This I will have to do. It doesn't seem very secure because without air in the front tires, they are quite wobbly. Okay. Yep. The bike is finally indoors. And by the way, I've bought a new jacket because the previous one I burnt a hole in it when I was welding. So what's important when you do a recording in your garage is that you need clothes that don't squeak. I think this one is nice. Buying clothes because of the sound, it's a bit peculiar, but that's how my world is. Yeah, that's a bit more sturdy. Finally, welcome to my garage and to my Elefant and to this video series I will be making this spring. It's March the 1st today, and I think I want to have this bike ready for this season that I would say maybe starts 1st of May here up in the northwest coast of Norway. As you saw, it's still a bit snow outside and a bit cold to start the season yet. But I want to make a series where I am fixing this rare old Cagiva. I really love this bike. I've used it some, not too much, because I found I have some kind of major problem with the rear cylinder. It's making this metallic knocking sound on low RPM. I think it's the skirts on the piston that is knocking. So if the piston is a bit worn, it will be going back and forth like this. The piston is supposed to go up and down. If it's worn, it will be moving slightly back and forth and make this metallic sound. I think that's the problem. On high RPM, it sounds beautiful. On low RPM, I hear this pinging. It's like an Italian is sitting here with a hammer and making this pling pling noise inside. So I will definitely check that out. And there is a lot of other small stuff I would like to improve, like this rusty. Sometimes I just don't remember what it's called. Not the brake pads, but the brake disc, maybe it's called. It's rusty. I bought a new one, so that will be replaced. And a lot of stuff, new mirrors, heated grips. I will replace the cover here on the seat to a black one. This one is no good. New exhaust, new tires, as I mentioned. I got some new one with air in them, not yet, but I will put in air. This is a bit loose and a bit high. I would like them a bit lower. I bought bigger one. Let's see if I can make some adapter there. Risers on the handlebar. Some stuff is easy work, others a bit bigger one. So I need somewhere to put the panniers. I bought some bags. This is a budget build. I'll try to do most by myself and buy reasonable priced equipment. I will also do something with the styling, because this is not the original theme. This bike had a lot of blue decals on it. That's why the seat is blue. I will change that. So it will not be original. It will be better than original, I hope. So hopefully you will come along with me on the journey, making this bike great again. Just for fun, will it start? I haven't started it now in half a year. Damn, what a bike! It's the next day, and as I looked over the video footage, I could see a big problem. It needs to be fixed, and that is of course having a white motorcycle against a white wall. You can't barely see it, can you? What? Doesn't everybody paint their garage according to the color when you buy a new motorcycle? So yeah, a small little paint job is what I will be doing. Yeah, just gotta do it. I painted my garage floor half a year ago, and I used this paint from Yoko, Norwegian brand. I can highly recommend it. It's like getting a new garage with your floor painted. So now I picked up from the same brand, Yoko. This is called Coral paint. It has a matte finish. The color should match up with the floor. A tiny bit brighter than the floor and a tiny bit darker than my cabinets. And it should match up with my motorcycle, I think. that is much better. So then, it's just to get started with the job. I have exactly 2 months to do all these things. I'll put the list up here. It's quite a lot of stuff I need to get done with this bike. And I have 2 months to do it, working on evenings and weekends. Do you think it's possible? You see, I promised to meet someone during May. And I like to keep my promises. It's quite an important trip, so yeah, I really need to get started. More about the challenge in my upcoming next video. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.